So, what's happening? We're back with another video. Today we're gonna be working on this Recaro seat. We're gonna clean it. I got my homie Sick Ass Detail. He's gonna be helping me clean it up. Picked it up from the homie King Anytime, and we're gonna be tossing this into the Integra for the new track seat. It's a Recaro SPG, as you can see. Let's see that. So it's real. It's a little beat, but this is just a low budget track build that we got going on anyways. But this is what we're going to be using today to clean the seat. Just a few products, some chemical guy stuff. And yeah, just going to be using this, a drill, a vacuum, and it should be good to go. So I'm going to toss you guys up on the time lapse so you can see how it goes. Alright, so a little update. We're already done cleaning the whole front part. He was able to remove all of the padding. We did everything, cleaned up everything. So here's how it's looking right now. Everything was cleaned up. So now what's next? As you can see, he even got the Recaro stitching and look good. So now what's next is we're gonna clean off the back and just kind of hand polish the back side of the seat. So I'm gonna get back to you guys. Alright, next we're gonna clean up the back of the seat because there's a lot of like watermarks and all types of stuff. So let's see if we can get that to look a little bit better. Alright, so a little update now that we have it all cleaned up. What I'm going to do next is I'm just going to put it into the car. I'm getting rid of this one. I picked this one up about 2 years ago. It's a fake Recaro, as you can see. This one's like sticker instead of actually being sewn on. But it did its job at the track. I'm not required to use a FIA certified seat with the people that I race with. I mean, obviously if you do need one, this is not for you, but this one is a FIA certified, expired, but I don't care. I just want a real Recaro in the seat. So yeah, let's take this one out and install a new one. Alright, so I just tried installing the seat, and what I need to do is I need to push these brackets out. I need to push them out on both sides because this one's a XL size and that one's like a large, so you can see the difference. So I'm just going to break these loose, move them over, and yeah, that should fix our. All right, so it took a while trying to figure out how to maneuver the seat rails in order to get the seat in, but the seat's in now. Excuse that mess, don't worry about it. Like I said, this is a cheap, reliable track car. I'm not trying to go top dollar on everything. This seat was sold to me for a very good price by my good friend, and I'm trying to put it to use because that one served me well for one track day. But when my friend offered to sell me real Recaro, I couldn't say no. So yeah, so here it is. But the thing is, like I said, I had to maneuver around these little seats, make sure that everything fits perfectly, as you can see, and it's secure. It ain't going nowhere. Oh, it looks like I just need to tighten that little puppy down. And yeah, looks way better than it did with the blue. Way better. Way better. Now I just need to either get a matching seat or get rid of that one. But yeah, no more blue Recaro. Maybe I'll toss it in for a passenger seat since I never have one, but probably end up selling it or maybe giving it away. So yeah, that's what it's looking like now. The cool thing I like about this one is now from the back, you can see that little Recaro logo. It's pretty neat. So last thing I'm gonna do right now is just make sure everything's buttoned up, everything's tightened down, so it's safe, and then probably call it a video there. Yeah, I don't know much else that I need to do on here except that. Probably adjust the seat height, because the front does feel like it's a little too up, so I might just bring it down just one notch, and yeah, we'll go about it from there. So just yeah. All right guys, so we're done for today. We installed the seat, everything's done, everything's buttoned up, thanks to the homie. Got it done pretty quick. Stay tuned because I'm probably gonna be doing a giveaway with this seat, which is gonna be free entry. All you gotta do is just follow my Instagram, follow YouTube, and maybe a couple other pages. So look out for that one, and yeah, look out for the next video. See you guys soon.